Hey everybody, this is Riff. How you doing out there? I hope everybody's doing great. I finally got the new motor and motor mount by PN Racing installed. That would be the PN Racing 90 turn motor that is really an excellent motor for all of these 24th scale style crawlers. The install was fairly simple. There's a couple of things that people need to be aware of when you're doing this install. You have to remove a part of the ESC tray there, and that forces you to move your ESC over to the side into a different position, and it's kind of tricky getting it to fit correctly, because of the interior and stuff that's in the body. If it was a hollow shell and didn't have all of that, it would drop right on there no problem. But because of all of this, it's a little trickier to get everything to because of all of this, it's a little trickier to get everything to line up correctly. But you can mess around with it, and there's a lot of different methods people are using. Some people are decasing the ESC, or just finding alternate places to put it. But for now, this works fine. It closes okay, and I got it to where I like it. But this motor is amazing. It's got a lot of torque, and it'll go over darn near anything. But I used, it came with 3 different pinions, and I used the middle one. Now, the one thing I did notice was on the low end, when you're doing that really slow crawling, it's a little more coggier with this particular pinion. It's not quite as smooth as the stock one. But can you see what I'm saying there? Let me move it back. Now I could probably switch this to the smallest pinion and get rid of that, but what you lose in that smoothness, you make up for in way more torque and way more power to get over stuff. And wheels, I'm barely touching this trigger. It's got a lot of power. But that's the little update I wanted to give you today. I got that installed, and I'm really happy about it, and it looks like it's going to be fantastic. If I change anything, though, it'll probably just be going down to that smallest pinion, just to get it a little more smooth on this bottom end. But man, does it have torque and power now. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys, and I think it's really a really cool setup. And if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe. There'll be more to come, and I'm gonna give this thing a trial over my test rig soon. Thanks everybody, I hope you enjoyed it. Riff out.